Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is hidden Markov model. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. A hidden Markov model is a static model that is nothing but this model will use probability in order to identify words. So whenever person speak anything, his speech or text can be identified by the computer by using hidden Markov model. I'll give one simple example so that you can clearly understand what is hidden Markov model. This hidden Markov model is a static model. It is nothing but this model will work based on probability. For example, whenever I speak hello, the speech recognition system will identify whether person spoke hello or not based on probability. This model is trained with various examples. Whatever the words that are present in my model, that is compared with my spoken word. For example, whenever I spoke hello, as this model also contains hello. So each letter is compared like HH. There is probability match. So for example, probability is 0.9%, that is 90%, and EE both will match, and LL both will match, and O both will match. After comparing my speech and whatever the word that is present in this model, probability match is 80%. As for example, there are so many other similar words. So all these words are compared with my speech. For example, there is word yellow which is present in my model. Here probability match is only 20%. So among all the words in the model, only the word which has highest probability is selected. And this probability is 80%, this is selected. And based on the system will recognize that person spoken word hello. Because if you consider hello, H-E-L-L-O. Total there are 5 words. Total there are 5 alphabets. Guys, we call each letter as phoneme. So H is one phoneme, E is one phoneme. Like that, total there are 5 phonemes. And each phoneme contains some pattern. And whatever the pattern that is present in one phoneme is compared with pattern that is present in our model. So whenever person speak any word, based on hidden patterns in each phoneme, probability is calculated. And system will recognize that highest probability word is word which is told by person. So in HMM, real information is hidden. That is nothing but phonemes are hidden. As we cannot see pattern of each word, we can only see output, whether word is understood by computer or not. And our output is generated based on probability. So in hidden Markov model, real states are hidden. That is nothing but in word, each character is phoneme and each phoneme contains different patterns. These patterns are hidden by the computer. We cannot see them. And we can only see output. The system will recognize our word correctly or not. And this output is calculated based on hidden states. That is nothing but based on patterns in the phoneme. Guys, hidden Markov model is already trained, as we will train our model by giving various kinds of inputs. So system will understand which sound will come first, which sound will come next, and what are the patterns that are present in each word. All these are present in this model, as this model is already trained. And in order to calculate probability, hidden Markov model will use 2 algorithms. One is forward algorithm and next one is Viterbi algorithm. I already told you before how probability is calculated. You can write that example. For example, whenever I tell hello, computer will hear only sound, not letters. Now, based on hidden patterns, forward algorithm will check whether sound is correct or not. For example, model contains various sounds like hello, hello, and hulo. By identifying patterns in each and every character, that is, in each and every phoneme, system will understand that whatever the word spoken by person and word hello, which is present in our model, both are compared and got highest probability when compared to this both. So this word is selected. That is nothing but computer will understand that person spoken word hello. Hidden Markov model contains 3 parts. They are hidden states that are nothing but phonemes. For example, whenever I tell cat, C-A-T, these 3 are phonemes. Based on each phoneme, probability is calculated. And next one is observation. That is nothing but output, which is understood by computer. We call it as observation. This model will use 3 kinds of probabilities. One is transaction probability, which will identify which character will come next. Whenever I say HE, based on probability, system will identify that LLO will come next. So next probability can be calculated by using transaction probability and emission probability, which will tell what sound we got. That is nothing but it will tell person spoken hello. And initial probability, which will tell with what sound our word will start. For example, hello will start with HE. Based on emission probability, system will guess that starting word is HE. This is working of hidden Markov model. Hidden Markov model is trained by using various kinds of data, that is by using various kinds of words based on hidden patterns, that is nothing but based on phonemes, and based on output, that is what is actual word. Based on this both, our model will learn patterns, and whenever we tell new data to our model will guess whether the word is correct or not. And it is done by using various kinds of algorithms like forward algorithm and Viterbi algorithm. And we use this model in speech recognition in order to convert spoken language into text, and in language modeling in order to predict the next word in the sentence, and in POS tagging. That is nothing but this model has capability to identify grammar like what is noun, what is verb, what is adjective, etc. based on our word. These are advantages. This model will work on sequential data, like whatever the data that will come in order. How are you? It is in order. So like in sequential data, this model will work well. and this model can handle uncertainty. If there are any mistakes in our word, that can be identified, and this model is used to identify speech and language of the person.